Also, not to forget, we are about to cross 800 subscribers. So thank you guys for all the love and support. I really love you all. Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs. Happy Saturday. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today is, I think it's 18th of Feb, and I'm sure about Feb, but I'm not sure about the date. It's 17th or 18th, but it's Saturday today and we are out for some work. My husband is gone to do some work and I'm waiting in the car. It's been over like half an hour that I'm in the car, but it took him long to finish up his work, so he's still there and I'm waiting for him. I'm laying in the car and just waiting for him. I just had my coffee. It's like this and it's so hot here. It feels like summer. I've just wore this t-shirt. I have my jacket but I'm not wearing it because it's super hot. It's just sitting in the sun for like half an hour and I feel so hot right now. It's super hot. And that's about it. That's what's happening right now. And I haven't vlogged for a long time. Like it's been 2 weeks that I haven't vlogged, but just because we didn't go anywhere last weekend. We had some friends coming over at our place and I was busy. I'm loving sun after so long. It's been like almost, I think, 2 weeks that I haven't seen such bright sun here in Toronto. But I'm loving it. I'm getting some vitamin D. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, then welcome to my channel. I'm Swati, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. It would always notify you whenever I'll upload any new video. And also from last week, like this whole week, I haven't posted much videos. Like it's been just 2 videos. I normally post 4 videos in a week, but it was like 2 videos just because I have really bad backache going on. I don't know what I did wrong with my back. It's hurting so bad and I'm not even going at work. I'm at home for like 4 days and I'm on rest. But it's a lot better now, but still I can't bend or just go without not taking rest, and I can sit for a long time. So that's what's happening. So I thought I should just rest for 4-5 days and then start shooting again. I'll probably start shooting from tomorrow onwards, and yeah. So that's why I didn't go inside with my husband. I'm just resting on here with my coffee and my sandwich. And just because of my back thing, I've turned my seat back and I'm just laying here and just chilling in sun. So we had our plan to go for like a South Indian breakfast, but then we got late here, so we might go after to this. I'm not sure yet. If my husband wants to eat something else, then we might change the plan of having dosa and idli and we might just go somewhere else. But as for now, I wanna have South Indian today, so I think he loves South Indian too, so maybe we'll go just there. So it's been an hour now and we are still there. Like we means my husband is still inside trying to get his work done and I am in the car. It's a long queue there, so it's taking a lot of time because it's Saturday, so it's really busy. So I am just sitting in the car and I had a lot of vitamin D today. I don't need any more. It's so hot today, as I told you. I just want to go and eat dosa and my nariyal ki chutney. I don't know when he'll come, but I still had my coffee and my bagel, but my husband didn't eat anything since morning. It's around 3 or 2:30 or 3 now and he didn't eat anything. I think now I need to go wherever he wants, like for lunch. I should ask him where he wants to go. It's not about me now, because I already had my breakfast and he hasn't eaten anything. So we'll go wherever he wants to go. That's decided. If he wants to eat dosa, then good for both of us. But if he wants to eat anything else, we'll just say that, yeah, we can go there. I'll enjoy the meal you want to have. So that's what's happening. And it's all water everywhere. See, all ice is melting and stuff. It's so bright and sunny. I completely love it. And by the way, I'm wearing my new shoes today. They are my new shoes. Like, I love the color. It's so silver and shiny. I just so love them. Like, at once when I just saw them, I was like, I want to get these. They're so comfortable and they're so good. So he just called and it would take him another half an hour to get done his work. I think I need more vitamin D. Like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पूरा विटामिन डी की कमी आज ही पूरी होगी इतनी धूप में. I'll show you. See. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं जादू ना बन जाऊँ थोड़ी देर इतनी और धूप खा खा के. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जादू में कन्वर्ट हो सकती हूँ, क्योंकि इतनी धूप तो मैंने कभी इंडिया में भी नहीं खाई. बट आज मेरी सारी धूप की शिकायतें ख़त्म हो चुकी है. मैं बहुत शिकायत करती हूँ, मुझे धूप चाहिए, मुझे धूप चाहिए. और आज इतनी धूप मिली है कि अब मैं अगले 5 महीने तक धूप के बारे में क्रिप नहीं करने वाली हूँ. अब काफ़ी हो गई धूप की. अब मुझे थोड़ी छाया चाहिए. दिस जादू इज़ हैप्पी नाउ. पता है, जो अंदर जा रहे हैं ना, वो वापस बाहर आ ही नहीं रहे हैं. वो अंदर ही अटक के रह जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं अंदर काम वो कैसे कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, आई विल टेल यू व्हाई वी आर हियर. बिकॉज वी जस्ट मूव टू अनदर प्रोविंस लाइक Ontario. So my husband wants to get his driving license changed, so transferred, like. So it's just a 2-minute thing, but because of the waiting and there's so many people and Pati Dev is here.
After how many hours?
3 hours. After more than 3 hours. And now we are going to eat dosa at Madras restaurant. Our plan to go to Madras restaurant, and we came here at Tandoori Flames to eat Indian food, and it's a buffet. It's very
Madras was not Indian food.
It was South Indian food. We came here to eat North Indian food. And I'm so full as usual after the lunch. और सिद्धांत तो फंस भी गया, वो गाड़ी में घुस भी नहीं पा रहा. उसने तो इतना सारा खा लिया.
नहीं, इडियट ने बहुत ज़्यादा पास कर दिया.
So now we are going home because अब हमें सिर्फ हमारा बेड चाहिए सोने के लिए.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will.
And we just had 30 minutes to finish all our food because Tandoori Flame closes at 4 to get ready for their dinner and stuff. So they close at 4 and we reached there at 3:33. And we had only less than half an hour to eat. But we were so hungry that we managed to eat in half an hour.
That we swept the whole thing in 20 minutes, not even.
Even in 20 minutes. Yeah. कितनी धूप है. मेरे इस पूरे व्लॉग में सिर्फ यही है कि धूप है आज बहुत ज़्यादा.
गर्मी से खुश नहीं है.
नहीं, बाकी दिन मैं बोलती रहती हूँ कि धूप नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. आज है तो इतनी है.
अच्छी बात है ना, समझ का नहीं.
Coming ऐसा लग रहा है summer is here. Hey guys, so currently it's 11:30 p.m. and right now we are going out to have pizza. We've already made an order and we're getting it at home. So we're going out and we'll be walking there because it's just 5 minutes walk from our place. बना से थे सिद्धांत. और अभी मैं ना इनको एक बहुत अमेजिंग वाली चीज़ दिखाऊंगी. हमारे घर के एकदम बाजू में क्या है बताओ. नहीं,
एक तरफ ग्रेवयार्ड, एक तरफ सुहाग ब्यूटी.
थ्रेडिंग भी होती है, वैक्सिंग भी होती है. So guys, see what's just beside my place. It says Suhag Beauty Salon and Spa. Like seriously, we are in Toronto and the name is Suhag. So it says Suhag Beauty Salon and Spa, threading and waxing. So we have got our pizza. Yay! Siddhant, yay!
Yay, with chicken wings.
So I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.